optimize what a chair could look like, minimizing the amount of material but maximizing the strength. Another personal favorite for mine is the skateboard truck. So I used to skate when I was a kid. I still think I can skate, but my body probably says otherwise. But the idea is that they've taken the traditional way a skateboard truck is developed, and by applying generative design to it, you can optimize or you can minimize the amount of material or steel that's needed to go into that truck while maintaining the same amount of strength. So the truck becomes lighter, it becomes more cost effective. And then I guess with emerging technologies such as 3D printing, you can then manufacture something that is quite unique in its shape.
Yeah.
I mentioned the gallery in Pier 9 in San Francisco. Yeah, if people get the opportunity to go there, there's plenty of examples of generative design being applied to manufacturing. And that's sort of where I guess, Autodesk is heading, is this convergence between design and manufacturing. So I think from an architectural or an AEC perspective, we're only really just starting to scratch the surface of what is possible with generative design.